representatives of all high courts bar associations, district bar associations and tehsil bar associations, and jointly resolves and demands, number one, that there is a growing perception that the various affairs of the judiciary are not being conducted with the desired level of independence, impartiality and neutrality, which has created a crisis of confidence in the judicial institution. In this context, it is resolved that the Judicial Commission must strictly adhere to the seniority principle in judicial appointments to the Supreme Court from the provincial high courts until such time as fair, transparent and objective criteria for appointment of judges at all levels are framed in consultation with all stakeholders, including the bar, and the appropriate amendments to the Judicial Commission rules are made. Unless this is done, allegations of favoritism and pick and choose will continue to damage the image of the judiciary. It is further resolved that the unfettered and unstructured exercise of discretion is a recipe for the abuse of power, whether the same is exercised in relation to the appointment of judges or constitution of benches, fixation of cases or initiation of suo motu proceedings, and the same must be duly regulated through rules and guidelines if public confidence in the apex court is to be maintained. This convention also condemns the passage of the amendment bill by the National Assembly in relation to Section 5D of the Legal Practitioners and Bar Councils Act 1973, whereby members already appointed to various posts in the service of Pakistan on the basis of their legal experience have, despite such appointment, been provided a cover to continue as members of their respective bar councils and associations and to enjoy voting rights and a right to be considered against all judicial and other legal posts and elevations which are otherwise reserved for practicing lawyers. This has been done to bestow additional favors upon the blue-eyed ones of the government and also to influence the electoral process of the independence of the bar councils and the associations. This resolution also demands of the Parliament to undo the judgment passed by Justice Mushir Alam, by which more than 17,000 employees had been declared jobless. It is further resolved that Article 175A should be amended to reduce the monopoly of judges over the Judicial Commission and enhance the representation of other stakeholders, especially the bar, on the basis of parity. The government has proposed to make a law to control the media in the form of Pakistan Media Development Authority Act to put a curb on their independence. This resolution demands immediate withdrawal of the same. It is further demanded that a Lawyers Protection Act be immediately passed by the Parliament for the protection of lawyers who are being frequently targeted and even murdered for performing their professional duties. The Convention further adopts and affirms all the previous resolutions passed in the earlier meetings and conventions held on 4th August 2021 in Islamabad, 21st August 2021 in Karachi and 26th August 2021 in Multan. Do you agree with this resolution? Thank you very much.
मैं दरख्वास्त करूँगा लाला लतीफ़ अफरीदी से वो तशरीफ़ लाएँ, आपका शुक्रिया अदा करें। इसके बाद सब दोस्त खाना खा के जाएँ, खाने का